having literally spent tens of thousands of pounds on bicycles, this one that I've put together for a couple of £100 is my favourite. It's the comfiest, most reliable. It's just absolutely a pleasure to ride this one, and I'll be this will always be my first choice. It's absolutely brilliant. It's just so comfortable. Love it, absolutely love it. So just to talk you through what I've had to do to this, because our Tout Terrain Scramblers might not arrive in time, so I had to do some quick fire thinking, see what we could use. I'm going to have to adapt my pure road bike, my steel black mounted, which is going to do fine. And this was a Specialized Rockhopper that I converted to a drop bar off-road tourer, and now just to make it a bit easier for my partner to use when she'll be using this one, I just put it back to a flat bar. Got these nice satin type finish bars, I suppose, and these Esi Grips are absolutely amazing. They're the thicker ones. They are so comfy. I saw these on Pathless Pedals YouTube, and they're only £15, and they do all sorts of different colours in these, so definitely check these out. They are probably the best grips I've felt. Well, they are the best grips I've felt, and for £15 I don't think you can go wrong. And then these were expensive. We're talking about £100 for two, but friction shifting, if I'm using a derailleur system, I don't use anything but friction shifters because they're just so reliable. Don't need to adjust anything, they're just perfect all the time. So yeah, and I've just brought it out on a test ride, and do you know what? It's my favourite bike by far. By far. I'm going to be so jealous if we are using these. I'm going to be so jealous when my partner's riding this. It is absolutely amazing. So comfy. I just want to keep on riding. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This is exactly how a touring bike should feel. It is unbelievable. Just blasting down there, and it just feels so stable. It's going to feel really stable when it's full of panniers as well. What a bike. A couple of £100 for the frame and diddling around with bits. Absolutely brilliant. I did say the frame was a couple of £100. I meant the whole bike was a couple of £100, and then what's left of it, that's from the original of the wheels, crank, chain, rings, cassette, bar ends, saddle, then everything else is what I've added. It's stripped and powder coated. There's videos on all that if you are interested. So why do I always go for friction shifters even though I've had index shifting in the past? Just because you fit and forget. You don't need to do any cable adjustment, quarter turn here, quarter turn there to get your gear shifting properly. Don't need to bother about that at all. Don't need to bother about your cable stretching or yeah. So you can use them on any bike, any derailleur, road, mountain bike, it doesn't matter. That's why friction shifters are amazing, and especially for touring, just like I say, fit and forget, don't need to adjust them at all.